Finally, nice to meet you, man.
Hi, how are you?
The barbecue expert of Germany.
Yeah, okay. I want to see the barbecue spots here in Chicago.
Well, I know a few spots. What else do you want to eat here?
Oh, Chicago fast food and the hot stuff.
Okay. I got a whole wide variety of places we gotta hit up.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
go.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Hey, nice to see you. Chef DeAndre. Yeah.
Hi.
This is David.
DeAndre, I'm David.
Man? Good, man. Thanks for coming out to Soul & Smoke, guys.
I want your secrets.
I'll show you guys all around. I'll show you the smoker. Let you guys know what kind of meat we're using. We'll walk you guys through the process and we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right,
This is the best barbecue in Chicago?
Yeah, that's what they say, man. We've been rating
That's what they say, or that's what it is?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
We've rated some of the best brisket in the Midwest, so you're at the right spot.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm looking forward. Yeah.
Sure.
Check it out.
All right, come on, guys.
Oh. Yeah. The smoke. Yeah. I smell it.
Sure. All right, cool, guys. So we back here. We're in our pit room right here. So here at Soul & Smoke, we like to use the oilless smokers. One of the best smokers I feel in the industry.
Ja, da wird der Geschmack gemacht. Ich bin wirklich gespannt. Ja, also die machen natürlich jetzt hier mit Obsthölzern, also Cherry, Kirsche und White Oak, helle Eiche. Ist ja auch nicht so ungewöhnlich, machen wir auch in Deutschland, ne?
Yeah, fantastic. That looks amazing.
Yeah, so we go. Let's gut into it and see what we got here.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Ja, Leute, das sieht ja wohl mal perfekt aus, ne? Wirklich. Looks really, 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 really good. Can't wait to eat it.
You guys to try. Let's get into it. Cut into there. And then.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Some of that.
Thank you. Come on.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Oh, tender. That's ridiculous. Good. Oh, it's so juicy and tender.
You
Wonderful.
don't even need teeth for this.
Wow, really great.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do we got here on the table? So this is your beer here too,
Yeah,
right?
so it's our beer. We partner with a local brewery here in Everton called Sketchbook. It's a Belgian style pale ale. We got a nice amount of hops to it to kind of complement the barbecue that you guys are about to have. So we got our creamy mac and cheese. We got our smoke braised collard greens. So we got some collard greens with a little bit of smoked turkey in there. And you can't have the collard greens without the cornbread.
You need the cornbread. You can't barbecue without cornbread.
Yeah.
It's not traditional barbecue.
And then to top it all off, just to add that finishing touch, We got our barbecue sauce right here. So it's a Kansas City style barbecue sauce. It's thick, it's tangy, it's bold in flavor, and it got some unique touches to it.
Great.
So I'm gonna save all the secrets for you guys and let you guys try it out.
Well, can't wait.
Sehr cool. Nicht nur super Fleisch und super Beilagen, sogar auch noch ein eigenes Bier. Und jetzt würde ich sagen, wird gegessen.
See what it's all about, yeah?
Ja.
Cheers.
So, cheers.
Let's try some barbecue.
Okay, ich freue mich sehr.
We're gonna use our hands or are we using forks?
Absolutely hands.
So we need some of this. I'll pour some barbecue sauce
Yeah.
here for us.
Private ribs?
Yeah? Oh, these ones.
Ja.
There we go. I'm
Okay.
gonna try without sauce, of course.
Wow.
Really
Die haben einen leichten Biss, aber dann so, dass sie so im Mund zerfallen. Super geil.
good. We'll run this cornbread.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's all about the cornbread. It's all about the
Wow.
barbecue. Oh wow, that's really good cornbread.
Wow.
It's so moist.
Boah, also das
Wow. That's
also wie ein Kuchen, der aber dieses Maisbrot, das ist der Oberhammer, aber generell hier auch das Fleisch, das ist einfach und der Rauchgeschmack. Also Leute, wir reden immer von Rauchgeschmack. Hier ist er drin. Also so fantastisch, richtig gut. Und ich muss jetzt Gas geben. Wir kennen ja Furious Pete, der kann schnell essen, der nicht, dass er mir alles wegfuttert.
That's right. The brisket is very good.
Oh ja, it's so tender.
Yeah.
Here, you can put it. Wow, wow.
Problem is, I would eat this food very fast, but it's just so good that you want to appreciate it.
Ja. We say Rinderbraten. Das ist nämlich eine Rinderbrust. Ein Brisket ist ja nichts anderes wie eine Rinderbrust. Dann halt lange gesmoked. Und dass sie natürlich hier so saftig ist dann danach. Das ist schon hohe Kunst. Das muss man einfach mal so sagen. Oh ja. Okay. Ja, er hat sich mal eben eine kleine Portion Mac and Cheese inhaliert. Boah, Alter, wo lässt der das? Ne? Aber ey, das ist so lecker. Ich kann es verstehen. Okay.
A little spicy. Good amount of spice.
Eine geräucherte Wurst. Ein bisschen scharf. Ah, total lecker. Ja, really good. Oh, ja, now it's a little bit spicy.
Thick, right?
Yeah, but good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Now give it a try.
No, not what you think, eh? I think it looks worse than I think it tastes a lot better than it always
Yeah.
looks.
Boah, all that Pulled Pork. Einfach, also wirklich auf der Platte schmeckt alles. Mega.
Dude, I gotta tell you, this cornbread was like, it was next level. Everything was it was delicious, but like, I don't know why. Like every time I have had cornbread, it was super dry, and then
Yeah,
this
this
was
is
just
like a
unbelievable.
cake.
Yeah.
You didn't promise too much. It's really, really a great barbecue.
Yeah.
The whole plate was delicious.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
everything.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
What you're trying to say is you put your soul into it, and then you smoke it.
Yeah.
Hence the name.
You
Love it.
It's the logo. We really care. We really got a lot of passion behind what we do.
You can tell. You can tell. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very
seeing you
much.
again, man.
Yeah, good seeing you. And I'll be back. I'll be back for sure. I'll be back for sure next time in Chicago.
I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys.
Cheers.
Have a good rest of the night.
See ya.
All right, see you.
Bye.
Knox Barbecue.